These chicken coops haven't been cleaned out in many moons, so I figured what would be a better day to do it than today when we move the young chickens out and to live with the big chickens over here in the hen house. So we're going to be cleaning the brooder house out and then possibly the hen house too. I've got my wheelbarrow right here and I've got plenty of shavings over here that we'll put in the coop, and then we'll also take the feeders and waterers out to clean it up too. I'm going to start by taking out the old water. Oh, that thing is heavy. Oh, it stinks. And then also the bowl. Oh, shoot. Disgusting. Here comes the pig to see what we're doing. Hello, piggy. Can you guys stay out of here? I'm trying to clean this up, please. We're just going to start by shoveling out the old shavings. Which gets incredibly dusty. Now some of these shavings we'll leave in here because they're not too incredibly dirty, but a majority of them we want to get out so we can get the clean shavings in and it'll be nice and fresh for the next time we get new chickens. Over here is a hard chunk of manure that we need to get out. There we go. You trying to help us, piggy? Plenty of helpers around here. Now we have most of the old manure out and we can start putting new shavings in. That should be it, and now this chicken coop is pretty well ready for when we get new chickens at some point. And time to move on to the hen house. This chicken coop, on the other hand, has a massive amount of manure in it. So looks like we're going to have our hands full on this one. This wheelbarrow is probably going to get filled up. Hey, don't eat that. Hey, stop eating that. Hey, no. Let that go. No. I'm going to give the piggy a snack so she stays out of the way. Come on, piggy. Hopefully that will keep her occupied. These are some of the young chickens that we just moved over to this chicken coop here. There's one of them. There's another one. There's another one. This chicken coop here is dirty. This is one thing about chickens, they will cover everything with dust. The chicken coop is usually covered with about 1/4 inch of dust over pretty well everything. So sorry everyone if the video gets kind of dark after this point. I just noticed the light bulb was smoking. I smelled something and I looked up and the light bulb was smoking. I think it's covered in fly poop and dust. Here's a reference point about how much manure is in here. That is about 8 inches tall. It's hard to tell there, but here's my hand stacked up to it. I don't know where the chickens have been hiding this, but appears to be a sucker stick. This manure bin is piling up. We still have a good amount left. Here comes Brewster the Rooster. Look at what we're doing in here. We're cleaning out your house, bud. Looks like someone was playing in the mud. We got all the manure scooped out of here in the wheelbarrow, and now it's time to haul shavings in. We don't have to do much sorting around. The chickens will do most of it themselves. This is the final product of the brooder house. It's all ready for when we get chicks or ducks, baby ones, and we're actually currently hatching some ducks in the incubator right now, so this coop will be ready for them when they hatch. This chicken coop also smells amazing, by the way, because we use the cedar shavings, which smell really good. We didn't have enough to do this coop, so this one's in pine shavings. Somebody just cannot keep themselves out of trouble over here. Here's the result of the hen house. And I have a feeling we are going to have some happy chickens. Now time to haul the manure into the barn. We like to keep the chicken manure inside because when it gets rained on, it kind of dwindles away to not much. So I like to keep this inside so we have something left. As I was putting the wheelbarrow away down here, I found this wooden thing down here, which is a stand for the pig's water bowl. And probably be a good idea to put that out there, because what I realized I watched the pig do earlier is she goes out there and she knocks the water bowl over and then like lays in the water for a little while, and that might be fun for a while, but then later she doesn't have any water left, and also that's the chicken's water too. So I'm gonna try that out and see if it'll keep the water bowl standing still. It didn't take long and the pig found it, and now we have a happy pig, so I guess that's gonna work. At least I hope it's gonna work anyways. I guess Daisy spotted me out here and might have to feed her as well. Go bossy, go bossy, go bossy. That's the cow's food that I just put in the feeder. They don't always come running, but they'll eventually eat it. Anyone hungry? Why, hello, Daisy. And if you guys haven't seen recently in my shorts video, this is Dan's trick that he does. Whoa, Dan. Here, Dan. So if you haven't seen my latest short video, that is Dan's trick that I've been teaching him lately. None of the other goats seem to have picked it up yet. Daisy. Yeah, Daisy doesn't always play by the rules, I guess. Last but not least, gotta give Daisy her food. Be patient, let me put it in the bowl, please. Daisy. Hey. There you go. Eat all you want now. By now it's about the beginning of July and Daisy has pretty well lost all of her winter hair. Down to the summer coat now. If you guys didn't know, Oscar is a fainting goat, so I just missed his little bit of a faint there while I was trying to get the camera turned on, but you could kind of see the tail end of it. And here comes the first brave calf in to find some food. Come on, buddy, I won't hurt you. Comes number 2. Looks like these two guys are going to have all the food eaten before the third one comes in, if he doesn't hurry. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. We're going to have some happy chickens, I'm sure of that, with clean chicken coops. And all the animals are fed, so the chores are done for the day. And thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, I'm Jacob at Echo Valley Homestead. And if you like this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.